Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off downtime on the iPhone and what is it. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which Apple phone you have, which iPhone you have, or the iPad, it is all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings and then go to the screen time options. So once you're here, as you can see, you have your daily average and see all app and website activity, how you can check it, where you can check it, and also here is the downtime. So as you can see, you can turn on downtime until tomorrow. And what is downtime? So let me just turn it on, and now as you can see, okay, it needs some time. Now as you can see, the downtime is on. So now I cannot open any apps other than Find My, Home, Maps, Health, Wallet, Settings, FaceTime, Phone. Can I open Safari? Yeah, I cannot, as you can see. You can ignore it, but as you can see, no apps are available right now. So this is the downtime. And also, to turn it off, you just click turn off downtime. So downtime is only apps that you choose to allow and phones are going to be available for you. So other apps are not going to be available. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!